Guess what today is, man? Well, actually it's tomorrow, but I'm gonna say it's today. It's Elle's birthday. Thai Noodle, what are you doing? Oh, what is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, your earring. Oh, you doing your earring work?
You are not in.
Huh?
You are.
For me?
Không you nghe.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, you cleaning it? Oh, cop.
You forget lắm.
Forget.
I'll go forget.
Hey, baby, you forgetting something.
No, I'll put in the bag. I'll go forget.
I ain't talking about that. You forgetting something.
What?
It's almost your birthday. It's your birthday, huh?
What today?
It's almost, yeah. It's your birthday, so we're gonna do a live stream about your birthday, man. Everybody like you so much, so we're gonna get everybody to tap in and tell you happy birthday for the live stream. Are you okay with that?
Okay.
I don't know if I can let you wear that for your little birthday thing. You might have to wear something else for your birthday, okay? All right. Tell everybody they say happy birthday to Thai Noodle.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hey, it's a party if you couldn't tell. Roll out the red carpet, it's the one and only L. She deserve it all. Gucci or Chanel, treat a man like a king. Richie Mac, living well. Hey, steady vibing when we out in Thailand. Mind right, body right, you cannot deny it. Thai girls, do it big, girl, you know you bomb. Richie about to spoil you and show you off. Let's go. Hey, touchdown, feeling good, living well. About to get it lit with the one and only L. Hey, she a queen, yeah, if you couldn't tell. About to get it lit with the one and only L. Okay, pretty tied toes, that's what all the guys love. Wanna show you off anytime you hit the nightclub. Maybe hit the golf course, make a meal for a course. Wanna know about L, need to come to the source. Hey.
All right, you guys, it's Elle's birthday, man. Y'all tap in and tell Elle, wish her a happy birthday. You know they're gonna wanna know how old you are, Elle, so you wanna tell them now or later? Huh?
Later.
Later? All right.
What do you think?
Oh, you tell them later. They'll be around.
What do you think of me? Just you
Oh, how do y'all think? She wanna know what y'all think she is.
That's just no makeup. Just look like you wake up now.
Yeah, that's all natural. Thai people say original. That's the original wake up in the morning look. Let me see a Thai Noodle. Hey. Thank you, baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And many, many more. All right, y'all. It's Elle's birthday today, you guys. So, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for her birthday, right? So, we were going to go to Japan, but it's snowing out there. Elle wants to see the snow. But people that ain't used to the snow, you get 10 minutes of snow, you've had enough. You want to see it, you want to feel it, you want to look at it, but after that, you've had enough. When I was a kid going back to Chicago, man, I used to love going in the snow and snow fights and all that stuff. I think I'm going to do something else. I think we're going to do some tricking today. Elle, it's time to do some tricking. Can you say tricking? Hey. Oh, now speaking of tricking, let's get this together for you goofies, man. Let me break this down for y'all. So, I did a video called How I Met Elle. It's one of my biggest videos. Everyone always asks how I met Elle, and I tell them it's in a future episode. Well, this is the episode. Let me tell you how it all started.
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets trying to consume.
It was a clear black night in Pattaya. I was minding my own business, just looking to get a little foot massage, walking the streets of Pattaya, learning my way around, looking for where I could buy me a condo, and then this happened. First thing I noticed was how beautiful she was. She looked totally different than any of the other girls I've seen here. Then I noticed them big old legs up under them genie pants she was wearing. I was like, ooh-wee. There was no cap in any of that, man. I did meet her getting a foot massage, man. It was one of the best foot massages I ever had, man. You gotta see, I gotta show y'all a video, man. I'm hitting up Shamar Moore. I'm hitting up all my friends like, look what I got, giving me a foot massage. And the minute I saw her, man, I was like, you gonna be the one.
Hey, it's a party if you couldn't tell. Roll out the red carpet, it's the one and only L. She deserve it all. Gucci or Chanel, treat a man like a king. Richie Mac, living well. Hey, steady vibing when we out in Thailand. Mind right, body right, you cannot deny it. Thai girls, do
She was sweet. She was different. She looked different, man. I was like, I couldn't believe it. The same excitement you guys get when you first come, that was the same excitement I got. Because it's one thing getting a massage, but it's one thing getting a massage from a beautiful woman with a beautiful attitude that speaks enough English where you can communicate. All these things were like lining up. It will be 4 years this March. This woman makes my tea every morning. She makes my breakfast every morning. She makes my dinner. She translates. She pays the bills. I pay the bills, but she physically goes and takes care of everything. She does everything for me. I go to my doctor's visit. She's right there. Like, she is like the ultimate helpmate, man. Oh, and by the way, she's very popular on the channel, and people like to see her and talk to her, and they get inspired by her, and they want a woman just like her. But some of the slow ones, man, y'all think, how do you slow people say it? Tricking. No, man, she works for me. She works with me. She works beside me. Who do you think is going to be putting on Zoom Fest 2024, man? I legally cannot work in Thailand without a work permit. She's handling all of that stuff, man. You guys don't even realize, man, from the day you meet a woman, from the day you take her on her first date, you spending money is transactional. From the day, I'm talking about from the first date, from Starbucks to, I don't think they even eat at Cheesecake Factory no more. Wherever you going, you coming out the pocket, man. All the way up to the time you buy a wedding ring and engagement ring, man. This is just what men do, what real men do. Back to Elle, man. So she's been so down with me this whole time for every single thing, man. So this is why her birthday is going to be special this year, man. She don't know it, but I'm going to take her to the gold shop and get her a nice little piece. A nice little piece. You know what I mean? Not a wedding ring, because I'm not the marriage guy, but it's definitely going to go on that hand, and it's definitely going to be nice. And watch how grateful she is for this, man. Watch how grateful she is, man. This is the same woman that wears $4 dresses, $12 dresses, $30 dresses, and does it with a smile on her face, and don't complain with nothing. Don't complain about nothing, man. So it makes me want to do things for her. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you have for Elle and I, the support you have for the channel. And I really want you guys to try your best to make it to Zoom Fest. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to give y'all the information, pricing, and rundown for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 or 3 cities, depending on your package, 1 special island, and embracing the thrill of a lifetime. This is a private annual event for my Zoom tribers and subscribers, and we're knocking $500 off all packages for the first 50 people paid in full before March 1st. Choose any 1 of 3 packages that can fit your lifestyle. First, we got the Ballin' on a Budget package, a no-frills way to enjoy the beauty of Thailand. The Ballin' on a Budget package comes with non-stop activities, transportation from the airport to your hotel in Bangkok, as well as a trip with the Travel OG from the Bangkok to Pattaya. Although this is our most basic package, it still includes non-stop activities, a 3 or 4-star hotel stay on or near the beach, as well as your own custom-made Zoom to Thailand shirt, 3 massages, and a haircut at Suni's Barbershop. Packages starting at $47.99 and purchased before March 1st. Military and Patreon members get an additional 5% off of this package. Next, we got the Hangover package. For those who want to go on a wild ride and have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand, in this package, you have the option of sharing a room with a buddy for the double occupancy rate, or you can have the Hangover package all to yourself. This is our most popular package, so make sure you get your plenty of rest and eat your Wheaties, you dig? The Hangover package also includes transportation to and from the airport, a tailor-made suit, or an outfit of your choice of the material of your choice with your name on it, as well as a matching tie, pocket square, and a custom fitted shirt with your initials on the sleeve. But that's not all. You'll also have exclusive entrance to the private yacht party, 4- and 5-star hotel stays in the Philippines, as well as Bangkok and Pattaya. But there's more. You'll also have access to the private dinner symposium where you can meet and speak directly with Thai lawyers, real estate agents, and professionals giving you the latest and greatest info on starting a business, extended stays, moving, or retiring in Thailand. To me, this is the best part of the package, starting at $59.99 for the double occupancy rate if you get your payment in before March 1st. Now, for those of you who are used to the finer things in life and you enjoy your privacy, this package is for you, the James Bond Executive Platinum Package. This package includes just about everything with all the bells and whistles. 5-star hotel stays at the best hotels in the Philippines, Bangkok, and Pattaya. You also have the option of an additional stay at the private island, and you have access to exclusive private events only included in the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. You'll also have the option of private transportation to all major events. You'll have the option for 3 tailored suits with the material of your choice with Lucky Tailor, one of the best in Pattaya. Lucky Tailor will come to your room for your initial fitting. But wait, there's more. On top of everything included in the Hangover package, in the James Bond package, you also have your own personal money penny, aka concierge service person, to pick you up from the airport and any additional questions that you might have, and will be on call for your first few days in Thailand. This is all included with the James Bond package, by the way. But there's more. If you decide to extend your stay in Thailand past your 30-day visa, we will arrange your visa extension through Thai immigration at no additional cost. And finally, on your last night in Bangkok, you will take a trip on the Chao Phraya River for a dinner night cruise for you and a guest. All of this is included in the James Bond Executive Platinum Package, and of course, all packages come with a private one-on-one consultation with the Travel OG, so I can help you fine-tune your trip for maximum results. The price for the James Bond Executive Platinum Package before March 1st is $85.49. Flight tips and taxes are not included. But in the consultation, I'll even help you with your flight arrangements. We also offer additional services, such as arranging your own private yacht party and any other special requests you might have. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of the $500 off of any package. Payments can be made through PayPal or Cash App, Zoom to Thailand. Part of the proceeds will go to a charity here in Thailand, and if you have any other questions, email us, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Zoomfest 2024. Let's get it.